The dishwasher is located to the right of the oven. To open it, just pull down the lever. Then you can open up the drawers, put in your dirty plates and knives into the slots, cutlery. At the top, you can use this for glasses or small plates. To put in a tab, you'd put it in here. To find the dishwasher tablets, we provide them and they're located underneath the sink. So you put one of those into here. You then push this drawer shut, which just gently lifts up, and then just push it down and then it will stay closed. If for whatever reason you need to get into this tray again, just push this lever to the right and just move the drawer back. When you have a tablet in there, just turn on the machine. It will beep indicating it's on. You then have Eco, which is generally the setting we use because that does everything, and then you have the light for tablet. You then push start, and then when you shut the door it will then start the machine. If at the end of the cycle you open the door, then you can turn it off by pushing this button. That's how to use the dishwasher.